Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cthrines, a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. And I want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for your support so far. You guys keep me going. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're just joining us, welcome to the community. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Welcome to this vlog. This is going to be a go to work with me vlog because I have a job tomorrow, a bridal job to be precise. Although I don't have an assistant, so I'm even wondering how I'm going to complete or get this job done or get this vlog done. But then I'm going to try my best. I'll try my best to get it done. I hope it's going to be as fun as I have it in my head. But I'll try to make it fun. So yeah, come with me to work. And I'll just be showing you guys my box, all the things I'm going to be going to work with. This is my box. These are my makeup stuffs. Everything I'll be going with. It's so heavy. There are bugs in my house. I'm still wondering how I'm going to make it out of the house. Although I tend to call my landlady to inform her that I'll be leaving the house very early tomorrow. So that's basically it. So I already packed my lights. And this is my lights. Now that that's done, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm leaving the house very early, like 5 a.m. I have to leave the house by 5 because she said she wants to be ready by 8 a.m. So I didn't want to sleep over. I had the option to sleep over, but I don't feel like sleeping over, and it's not so far from my place, so then I'll just go from my place. I just hope I meet up with the time. I hope I get a ride as early as possible because I need to leave the house by 5 a.m. So let's go. Hi guys, good morning. So it's currently past 4 a.m. and I just woke up. No, I've woken up since 4 and I've had my bath, so I'm just dressing up right now, preparing to head out. So I'll be wearing this jean and tank top. I know I'm not usually comfortable with outfits like this, but let's see if I can. If not, I'm just going to change the top. So this is me. I'm so tired. I didn't even get enough sleep. Tried to sleep up. Couldn't get enough sleep. I don't know if you guys can see. This jean is pretty good. I have to make do with it. Let me quickly finish up and I'll be back. I'm done guys, I'm ready to leave. It's currently 4:53 a.m. so I need to head out now. I'm gonna order my ride. I'll see you guys soon. I just feel I'm able to do this stuff because man. Okay. I hope I'm able to film behind the scenes of my work. Bye. This is what my outfit is looking like. If you guys can see. This is what it looks like.
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you for my girl. You see, but you're so baby. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl. Cause I'ma be alright tonight.
Rock that, run that, this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down.
It's okay, girl.
Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that, run that, this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that, run that, this how we from.
Then that we used to 12 and I was supposed to start my makeup as early as 5. It even came on, light is not enter. There was nothing they didn't do. They had to blow our neighbor's drink.
Really?
Yes.
At least those ones are good, thank God.
Everybody for carry fan.
See us in the club, you'll be acting real nice. You see us on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. Wanna see you work your body. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. You see us in the club, you'll be acting real nice. You see us on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. Wanna see you work your body. You see us in the club, real nice. You see us on the floor, watching all night. We ain't here to talk about it. Wanna see you work your body. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to cry. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight.
Don't think about it too much.
A claps.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you I'm jumping, but I know when I play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. When you get something, baby, you're another time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space. Baby, I'm late, but I'm checking with you.
I'm sure you're going to have weird experiences. Where you want this makeup, doing what you do.
Okay,
Can you imagine?
collect down payment for just discussing. I got there, I did makeup for I was like, I don't understand. She carried the chat to when she start showing everybody. I bet when you see 4,000 each for year, not 4,000 naira they see for year. How much did I tell this girl? I was like, it's 4,000 for each person now. With reason the way I would reason.
Oh, sometimes that happens, yeah.
My mom started begging me. I told her I'm going to go. People are carrying costs and they don't even know.
Thank you.
Your roots.
I love from now.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Do you miss me? I've heard of my way. I'm home, guys. Whew. I must say I really enjoyed this job because she didn't stress me one bit, like no single stress.
Goes on this side, goes over on this side. I'm thinking this side.